so welcome dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ito na yung lesson 21 sa ating complex analysis. So let's talk about complex integration and line integral. So in this video, magpo-focus ako sa line integral saka sa complex line integral. Okay, so meaning sa real line integral muna, then in comparison sa kanyang complex line integral. Okay, so let's have definition. So let f of x be continuous at all points on curve that is curve gamma, where gamma is a rectifiable curve. So what is the rectifiable curve? So yung curve na having finite length. So ulitin ko si gamma is a rectifiable curve. So yun yung merong finite length. Ano ibig sabihin ng finite length? Meaning kaya mong masukat or may length siya. Okay, kasi nga line integral yung sinusukat natin dito. Ngayon, mag-ano ako dito ng konting illustration. Ano nga ba yung gamma na yan? Okay, so ano yung itsura ni gamma in terms of curve? So gawa ko dito ng ating complex plane. So suppose ito yung ating imaginary line. Ito yung ating real line. Okay, so the imaginary line and the real line. So ang gagawin ni sir, i-create ako dito ng complex curve. Ng ating curve. So for example, gagawa ko dito ng curve. Let's say ganyan. Okay, so siya ay pangalan nating gamma. Okay, so ngayon sa curve na yan may mga points. So let's say ito si point Z1. So sa si Z1, si Z2, si Z3, o si C sub 4, si C sub 4 pala to, si C sub 5, then si C sub 6. Okay, and then hindi lang basta ganyan, since may point siya, meron din direction. So may direction dito, direction dun, papunta dyan, papunta dyan. Okay, ngayon si gamma is yung set ng mga ating gamma sa buwan. So ngayon marami diyang gamma. So si gamma is yung generalized union siya. Note that si gamma is yung generalized union from I is equal to 1 up to n, or meaning 6 lang dito, ng mga u ng gamma sub I. Okay, so meaning yung unang trace na to, ito yung gamma sub 1, gamma sub 1, gamma sub 2, gamma sub 3, gamma sub 4, gamma sub 5. Okay, so paano yun sir? For example, ang gusto kong kunin si gamma sub 1 saka si gamma sub 2. So for example, kinuha ko si gamma sub 1 union gamma sub 2. Ito ay equivalent lang do sa line segment o not line segment. So parang curve ni Z1, Z2. Okay, yung Z1, Z2 union Z1, Z2 union Z2, Z3. So wherein Z1, Z2 nagre-refer dun sa gamma 1. So meaning siya yung curve na from Z1 to Z2, point Z1 to Z2. Okay, so ganyan yung magiging itsura. So ngayon, importante dito sa complex integral or sa line integral natin is dapat malocate mo ng maayos. Ngayon, pag nag-integration na tayo ng may complex number, kino-consider na natin si branch. Pero by the way, for the meantime, magpo-focus tayo sa Green's theorem saka sa line integral kasi gusto kong ma-isolate yung mindset nyo pagdating sa PDX integral, tapos dun sa ating integral talaga ng complex number. Okay, ngayon, yan pa lang yung introduction. So yan pa lang yung ating f of x, yung f of z, f of z dapat to, nagkamali ako ng lagay. So be continuous at all points, so continuous siya dyan. Okay, so ulit yan yung unang ating kailangan malaman na okay, merong gantong curve, tapos may mga point something, tapos yung mga tawag dito may trace. Kung naalala sa graph theory, meron kayo tinatawag na path, tapos sabay so tawag dito ng trace. Okay, so before that, meron man akong papakita sa inyo ng drawing. So meron tayong tinatawag na Jordan arc saka curve. So note, ang basa dyan is Jordan, hindi Jordan. So although naka-spell siya as Jordan, ang basa dyan is Jordan. Okay, so ano si Jordan? Si Jordan arc saka si Jordan curve. Okay, so magdodrawing ako ng Jordan arc. So pag nag-drawing sa na Jordan arc, so suppose meron ako ditong drawing. Okay, then maglalagay ako dyan ng trace niya. So assuming ayan, doc, araw to ay nilalagay ko. Okay, so ito is example ng Jordan arc. So ito yung Jordan arc, sorry. Okay, next, ano naman pag curve? Pag curve, siya naman yung bumalik sa sarili niya. So kaya nga sinabing curve, bumalik siya. So meaning, from kung saan siya nag-start, may possibility na bumalik siya. Okay, so paano naman pag Jordan curve? So ito, assuming nag-drawing ulit si sir. Okay, so kunyari yung drawing, then maglalagay na ako ng mga points. So another thing, yung ating mga in direction, may positive clockwise, saka may clockwise direction, saka counterclockwise direction din dito. Dalawa yung line, so lagay ko dito. Okay, so ito yung example ng curve. So ito yung Jordan curve or Jordan curve. Okay, so napansin nyo, nagkaiba nila. Ito, curve lang siya, as in hindi na babalik sa sarili niya. Ngayon, si Jordan curve naman, ay arc lang siya, I mean. Si Jordan curve naman, siya naman yung mismong yung babalik sa sarili niya. Okay, although pag sinabi mong arc, dapat alam mo ganyan eh. Okay, next is, what is the example of not Jordan arc saka Jordan curve? Ano yung magiging example natin pag ganun? So, masasabi mong hindi sila Jordan arc or curve pag nagkaroon ng intersection yung line o yung mismong curve. So, meaning, yung hindi example nito, example na drawing sir, assuming ito, okay, ganyan. So, nagtuldok ako dito. So, assuming lagyan ko din ng direction. So, assuming yung direction pa ganyan. Okay, so yan yung example ng not arc or not Jordan arc. Not Jordan arc. Okay, next is siyempre, paano magsabing not Jordan curve? Yun naman siyempre, yung curve siya, close, literal, pero nagkaroon ng intersection somewhere. Okay, so for example, assuming ito yung drawing. So, assuming ito, then biglang nagkaganyan siya. Okay, so napapansin mo, curve siya kasi bumalik sa umpisa. Okay, so ngayon, hindi ko din na parang points. So, sir, lagi ba necessary ba na meron siyang intersection something? Hindi naman. Pwede naman yung drawing walang intersection sa mismong point na yan. Okay lang, dun sa mismong, yan. Aso nga lang ang nangyari, since siya ay integral, nagpa-pass by siya dun. So, literal, merong point somewhere dun sa pinag-intersectionan na nakuha. So, ano ba nagiging dating pag naulit, or tumama ulit sa same line? Ito ang nangyayari. Pag kinukuha mo yung integral sa line integral, ang ginagawa mo, hinahati mo siya sa subdivision, or hinahati mo yung curve. Meaning, for example, tulad yan, hinati ko siya ng ganyan, hati ng ganun. Ang purpose ng hati is para kunin ko yung integral between dito sa interval na to, sa interval na to, sa interval na to, sa interval na to. Okay, so ngayon, ito yung tendency. Sir, what if tumama at bumalik? So, tulad yan, pag bumalik dito, ibig sabihin, may mga points na kung saan twice or thrice, paano kung tatlong beses mag-curve dyan, kumbaga bumalik-balik dyan. So, kumbaga, paano kung thrice or twice natin ginawa? So, ang mangyari, twice yung integral doon. Okay, doon sa line na yun. So, meaning, anong nangyari? Imbis na eksakto yung integral ng kumo, isobra. Dahil nga doon sa mga intersection na yan. Okay, so kaya nga sinasabi hindi sa Jordan curve, so hindi siya literal na hindi kinukuha. So, ngayon, ano ba yung mga dapat gawin pag gusto mong kumuha ng integral na mayroong curve or may intersection? So, ang gagawin, hinahati. Okay, yun yung tinatawag na magkukushigorsa theorem tayo. Pero for the meantime, hindi ko muna siya gagawin. So, meron pa mga term dito, multiply connected cut, saka simple connected cut. So, doon mo malalaman ano yung gagawin mo pag ganyan yung mga itsura. So, in terms of gagawin, nahatiin mo to, puputulin mo yan, tapos kukunin mo yung integral mula dito, integral doon, then i-add natin. Ganyan yung mga usual na gagawin. Pero hindi basta-basta, hindi porket hinati mo, ito na agad yun. Okay, so, next to ay not Jordan curve. Okay, then next is the trace. So, yun nga, sabi ko nga, what is a trace? So, for example, ito na lang. So, tulad nito, ang trace dito is Z1, Z2. So, mula kay Z1, Z2, 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 Z3. So, yung trace dyan is si gamma 1. So, yung magiging trace ko dito, si gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3, gamma 4, gamma 5, and so forth. Ayun yung magiging trace ko. So, parang graph theory nga, yung direction na nangyari sa kanya. Okay, so susundan mo syempre yung arrow. Syempre arrow yung pinupunod. Kung pabalik yan, syempre pabalik. So from dito, from gamma 5, okay, gamma 4, gamma 6. So kung nasan yung arrow, yung susundan mo na trace. Okay, so para nga siyang graph theory. Okay, so syempre punta tayo sa real line integral. Kasi nga yun naman focus natin dito eh. Hindi ko talaga focus yung integral ng complex natin, ng all ng complex number. Focus natin yung line integral. Ano ba yung discarding gagawin mo pag kukunin yung line integral? Okay, so ito yung ating real line integral. So hindi na ako nag-define pa kasi nandito rin naman siya sa alam ko lang sa advanced calculus din siya or nasa calculus 3 din siya discuss. And I don't know kung parehas ng approach or what, pero I think mas better sundin nyo rin kung paano ko siya tinuturo kasi kung paano ko magko-problem set, ganun mo din sagit kasi baka maaaring magkaiba. Kasi alam ko meron term na parameterization pagdating dito. So ipaparameterize mo siya in such a way na makakuha ka ng points tapos mababawasan yung i-integrate mo. So sa akin naman dito hindi. Since ang usapan natin is about curve, so ang discard dito is puputulin ko yung curve or by segment lang mo tayo. Kunyari 0.1 to 0.2, 0.2 to 0.3, and 0.3 to 0.1. Ganun yung mga balikan. Nagkukuha natin integral along 0.1 to 0.2, along 0.2 to 0.3. Ganun yung gagawin. So for example, heto. So if C is a triangle with vertices A 0, 0, B is 1, 2, and C 0, 2, calculate the integral o the closed curve integral, meaning pag may bilog na ganyan, that is closed curve. So tama naman, triangle siya eh. So meaning curve siya, closed curve siya, meaning babalik. Okay, so pag may na ganyan, ibig sabihin closed curve yun. Okay, so curve sa triangle, yes, curve naman. Every line sa curve, alam ko pag ganun, alam ko si curve. Hindi lang basta balik ko or what, sila yung mako-consider ko din as curve. Yun, dahil closed curve meaning babalik. Okay, so if C is a triangle with vertices A 0, 0, B 1, 2, and C 0, 2, calculate nga natin yung integral o yung closed integral ng 4x squared y dx plus 2y dy. So ito medyo kakaiba yung gagawin natin. Okay, so una agad ito gagawin. Tatlo yung points. Since tatlo yung points, ibig sabihin tatlo din yung side. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung integral sa tatlong side na yan. So let's say, paano pag ginrap yan? So graph ko na rin para makita nyo. So assuming ito yung point A, tapos 1, 2, ito yung point B, 0, 2. So what is 0, 2? Ito. Okay, so meaning yan yung integral. So kunin natin yung integral na yan. Ayan, so ito si A, si B, and si C. Okay, so ikaw, ang diskarte mo kung paano yung gagawin mo ikot. So for example, ako, kukunin ko yung integral along AB, kukunin ko yung integral along BC, then kukunin ko yung integral along CA. Ganyan yung magiging diskarte. So una, kunin ko yung integral along, so this is along AB. So sulat natin yung points. Ano yung points? Yung points na ito 0, 0, and B is 1, 2. Okay, so ano yung diskarte? Una, isahanap ka ng equation of the line na kung saan nagjo-join yan. Siyempre, yun ang una eh. Hanapin muna yung equation of the line kung saan nasa yung dalawang point na yan. So, since 2 points yung given, so kukunin natin yung 2-point form. So, paano yung formula ng 2-point form? Pagkakaalala na sir, ang formula ng 2-point form is y minus y sub 1 over y over x minus x sub 1 is equal to yung slope. Parang ganun yung mangyayari. So, yung formula, pagkakaalala lang sir, ulitin ko lang, lagay ko na lang dito. Pagkakaalala ko, ang formula ng 2-point form is y minus y sub 1 over y over x minus x sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, ang kulit ng kamay ko. solve ko dyan. Okay, so in this case, syempre, kung sino yung una, yun na yung consider mo y sub 1, x sub 1, tas y sub 2, x sub 2, yun sa kabila. Okay, so in this case, kunin natin equation of the line niya kasi yun yung importante. Pag kinuha ko equation of the line niya, syempre, una, gamit yung formula, that is y minus 0. Okay, so this is y minus 0. I think hindi pa nga kasya. X minus 0 is equal to y minus 1 y minus 1 over y sub 2 minus y sub 1, no? So this is 2 minus 0, this is 2 minus 0, nalilito ako sa given, 2 minus 0 tapos 1 minus 0. Okay, nalilito na sir sa ginagawa niya. Okay, next is syempre pag cross multiply, this implies simplify nyo na lang, this is y is equal to 2x. So, equation of the line na na-form natin along that point is y is equal to 2x. Ngayon, anong gagawin natin sa y is equal to 2x? Kukunin mo yung kanyang partial derivative o yung kanyang, hindi partial derivative tawag dun, differential. Okay, so kunin mo yung differential niyan. So, what is the differential of this? This is dy. Okay, note that this is dy is equal to 2 dx. Okay, ngayon. So, after tama, derivative ng y is dy, derivative ng 2x is 2 dx. Okay, next is, after nyan, lahat ng value na meron tayo, tulad nyan, y is equal to 2x, substitute natin doon. So, yung y papalitan ng 2x. Yung dx, then yung dy is equal to 2 dx, meaning yung dx mariretain. So, yung dy papalitan natin to ng, yung y dito magiging 2x, yung dy gagawin 2 dx. Okay, pero, ito yung nangyari. Since naka-dx tayo, since pag pinalitan naka-dx tayo, meaning ang gapang natin is from x. Okay, doon yung first coordinate is x, so yung upper integral niya. So, ulitin ko lang ang mangyayari, ilalagay natin yung integral nito. Yung integral nito is from 0 to 1. Okay, bakit? Yun yung x. Ang gapang matitira kasing solve ko is puro dx. Meaning, ang gapang is nasa dx or nasa x. Ngayon, yung 4x squared, mariretain yan. So, this is 4x squared. Then, yung y, papalitan ko ng 2x. Then, dx. Then, plus, this is 2 times 2x. Kasi yung y, papalitan natin ng 2x. Then, yung dy, papalitan ng 2 dx. Okay, then, simplify natin further to. So, this is simply equal sa integral ng 0, 1. This is 8x cubed. Tama. And this is also, this is 8x cubed, no? So, since this is 8x cubed, and this is equal sa, I think this is equal sa 2 dy, ilan yan? 8x. So, this is 8x cubed. So, this is equal sa 8x cubed dx plus 8x. Tapos, ilalabas ko na yung dx. Sir, ba't nilabas mo? Pinactor out ko na yung dx since i-integrate din naman natin sila. Okay, next is syempre, factor out ko lang yung 8 para mas madali yung integral. So, this is 8. Then, the integral from 0 to 1 ng x cube plus x dx. Okay, then, syempre, upon integration, ano mangyari? This is 8. Okay, multiplied by, ano yung integral na matira? Ang integral niya is 1 over 4 x to the 4th plus 1 half x squared from boundary 0 to 1. Okay, so ang obvious pag in-integrate natin ang sagot dyan, that is 1/4 plus 1 half kasi wala namang mangyari sa 0. So that's 1/4 plus 1 half, that is 3/4. Tama, so 3/4 times 8, so that is 3 over 2. Tama, so this is equal sa 3 over 2. I don't know kung tama yung pagkaka-integrate ko, pero check ko rin. Okay, so itik tama naman kasi sinubstitute natin, no? So, yun ay 2y dy, so yung y pinalitan ng 2x, tapos yung dy pinalitan ng 2 dx. Okay, so this is 8x. So, mali yung book. May A1. So, check na lang natin later. Next is along, next natin is along yung isang point. So, along BC. So, along BC. So, along BC, yung points or coordinates natin, B is 1, 2, and C is 0, 2. So, similar case, kunin natin equation of the line yan. So, i-read ko na lang. Equation of the line niya is y minus 2, tama? This is y minus 2 over x minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2, tama? All over 0 minus 1. Okay, so automatic, parang nawala magiging 0 to eh. So 0 times x minus 1, wala na yon. Ito negative 1. So magiging negative y, positive 2. So lipat ko lang yung y. So obviously, this implies that this is y is equal to negative y, positive 2. So tama, this is y is equal to 2. Okay, so tama naman kasi equation na ganun, no? Horizontal line. So tama lang yung equation natin. Okay, so next is kunin natin dy. So note that dy is just equal to 0. So in that case, mas mapapadali yung ating integral. So kung napansin mo, since dy is equal to 0, ang matitira ulit is dx. So saan ulit ang gapang natin? From x. Okay, so meaning, yung points natin dito is from 1 to 0. Or, syempre, i-ano natin, baliktarin natin, pwede naman baliktarin yan, pwede naman pabalik. Or papunta dito. Ang kunin natin is, pero siguro, for convenient, kunin ko ni 1, 1 to 0. Check natin kung ano lalabas, kung negative or something. Ito, ang gapang is 1 to 0. So, 1 to 0 yung y papalitan ng 2. So, this is 4 x squared times 2 dx. Then, obviously, yung 2y dy cancel na. No? So, magiging plus 2 times 2 times 0. Kasi yung dy is 0. So, wala na lang yan. So, meaning ito na yung kinukuha ating integral. So, what is the integral? The integral is equal to the integral from 0 to 1 ng 8 x squared dx, which is equal sa 8 integral 1 to 0 ng x squared dx. Okay, then pag sinimplify, that is equal sa 8 multiplied by 1 over 3 x cubed from 1 to 0. So, since napansin mo from 1 to 0 siya, mangyari, magiging negative to. So, I think magiging negative 1 over 3 times 8. This is negative 8 over 3. Which is, okay lang naman, I think. Okay, next is, kunin natin yung integral niya along CA. So, last natin is kunin natin integral along CA. So, the integral along CA. So, this is along CA. So, CA is yung point C 0, 2 and yung point A is 0, 0. So, expected ko dito dapat x is equal to 2 kasi vertical line naman siya. Okay, iba naman yung nag-aano sa kanya. So, integral niya, yung kanyang equation of the line, ano ba equation of the line niya? Ang kanyang equation of the line is this is y minus 2 over x minus 0 is equal to 0 minus 2 over 0 minus 0. And ito yung problema, no? Sir, mag-undefined po yan. Huwag mo munang imumultiply. So, as if nilagay ko lang dyan, so ang gagawin ko, imumultiply ko lang siya dun. Pag minultiply ko siya dun, so pwede na. Pero, ang dating nga kasi, so parang kasi ang equation pwede ko manipulate eh. Actually, ito pwede ko manipulate na nandun doon. Okay, so alam ko, pwede naman talaga siya literal na ganun gawin. So, ang gagawin ko lang, i-multiply ko na siya doon. Okay, so therefore, ano yung magiging equation natin dito? Equation natin dito is just equal sa x minus 0 is equal to 0 minus 2. So, simply x is equal to 0, I think. So, this is simply x is equal to 0. Pag minanipulate natin. Okay, so since x is equal to 0, tama naman kasi yun yung mapuporm. So, punta tayo sa integral. Ano yung dx? By the way, dx is just equal to 0. So, in this case, matitira is dy. So, saan gagapang? From 2 to 0. Yung gapang natin yan. So, the integral simply equal sa the integral is equal to from 2 to 0 kasi sa y na yung gapang ng 4. This is 4 times 0 squared y times dx which is 0, which is mawawala, plus 2 times y dy. So, literal mawawala na to. So ang kinukuha natin na integral is integral ng from 2 to 0 ng 2y dy, which is equal lang sa y squared, then from 2 to 0. Okay, so therefore that is equal sa negative 4, I think. Okay, so therefore ano yung integral natin? Ang integral natin, so therefore ang integral ng 4x squared y dx plus 2y dy is equal sa 3 over 2 minus 8 over 3 minus 4, which is equal sa, so ayun yung line integral So the line integral is equal sa, nakalimutan ko na, so this 3 over 2 minus 8 over 3 minus 4. Okay, so that is negative 31 over 6. So sir, okay lang yun? Yes, okay lang yan. That is usapang line tayo. Saka yung galaw natin is pag ganun hindi pa ganito. Okay, so this is negative 31 over 6. Ito yung kanya integral. Okay, so next thing is, anong gagawin natin? I-check ko lang din yung sagot. Mali yung sa book Gulat din ako. So next is, let us evaluate the integral. So ang gagawin ko dito, kukunin ko yung integral una sa a tas b. Yung c hindi ko na isa-solve. Kasi mag-serve na sa inyo as isulat nyo na sa notes. Bakit? Same lang din ang mangyayari. Ang pinagkaiba lang, iba yung galing. Kumbaga, kung ito sa smaller, sa dalawang leg, ito yung sa hypotenuse gagalaw. Yan yung mangyayari. Okay, so let's start. So sabi, evaluate the integral ng x squared plus 2y dx times plus x plus 2y dy from 0, 3 to 2, 4. So napansin mo, ang kanya ng boundary is coordinates. Okay, so letter A, along the parabola x is equal to t and y is equal to t squared plus 3. Letter B, from the straight line 0, 3 to 2, 3. Then from to 2, 3 to 2, 4. Okay? So proceed. Siyempre una, anong gagawin natin pag parabola? Open ko lang yung notes ko, nakalimutan ko na. Okay, so ganito gagawin. Since parabola tayo, ang gagawin natin, letter A So lalagay letter A. So for letter A, angat ko lang konti. So for letter A, eto madali lang. Ang gagawin ko, lahat nung t, so yun, di ba yung 2t na yan, papalit ko sa x. Lahat nung y, na t squared plus 3, papalit ko sa y. Ganyan ang gagawin. Tapos, syempre, kukunin mo rin yung derivative o yung kanang differential. So una ko lang, syempre kunin ko yung x is equal to 2t. Pag differentiate ko to, this is dx is equal to 2 dt. Yung isa naman, y is equal to t squared plus 3. Pag differentiate, this is dy is equal to 2t dt. Tama. That is 2t dt. Next is syempre kunin din natin yung intersection. So from 0, 3, ano ba yung value ng ating x and y? Okay, so syempre kunin din natin na 0, 3, 'di ba? Una 0, 3. So ito yung x, ito yung y. From 0, 3, sa ibang ballpen ko na lang. Yung x is equal to 2t. Yung x is 0. So therefore 2t. So this means that 0 is equal to t. Okay, next. From 0, 3 pa rin, same natin. Yung y is equal to t squared plus 3. Okay, so ano yung y? Y is 3. So this is 3 is equal to t squared plus 3. Which means this is 0 is equal to t squared. Which means that t is equal to 0 pa rin. Which is same. Okay, meaning yung lower boundary niya is 0. So dapat ayun din yung goal mo. Pag sinubstitute mo siya sa dalawang dun sa ating parametric equation, dapat yung value ng parameter natin, ng t natin, yung bagong function natin is parehas dun sa with respect sa boundary na binigay natin. Okay, next is kunin natin along dun sa point na yung point na 2, 4. naman. So what if 2, 4? So sa 2, 4, x is equal to 2t, this is 2. So 2t, so 1 is just equal sa t. Okay, next. Pag kinuha natin yung isa, this is y is equal to t squared plus 3. Y is equal to 4 is equal to t squared plus 3, which is 4 minus 1, that is 1, which is equal to t squared. Then square root ng 1, which is 1. Okay, so meaning, ang upper boundary naman natin is 1. Okay, so ready na tayong buuin yung integral. Okay, so the integral, so I think dito na lang, baka kasya naman. So I think naman siguro kasya dito, o dito ko sinolve. So this is the integral from 0 to 1. Yun yung unang palit. Tapos yung x squared papalitan ko ng 2t. So this is 2t square. Okay, then plus 2y, yung y papalitan ko ng t squared plus 3. Then yung dx papalitan ko ng 2 dt. Kasi ando doon. Okay, next is plus. This is x plus y, so this is 2t. Then plus 2 times t squared plus 3. Okay, then dy is 2t dt. Okay, next is, syempre, simplify natin further yan, that is integral nito. This is equal sa, simplify natin further, this is equal sa integral from 0 to 1 ng 4t squared times 2. So 4t squared times 2, that is 8t squared. Next, plus 2t squared times 2, 4t squared. So this is 4t squared. 2 times 3 is 6 times 2, that is plus 2 times 12. So this is 12, then dt. Okay, then plus, ito naman simplify natin, 2t times 2t, that is 4t. This is 4t squared plus 2 times t squared, that is 2t squared, times 2t, that is 4t cubed. It's 4t cubed. 2 times t, that is 6, times 2t, that is 12t. So this is plus 12t, then dt. So obviously, pa-factor out natin yung dt, tapos makakapag-combine like terms. So ano yung mga like terms? Siyempre ito like terms to. Saka ito. Okay, next is, yun lang. Kasi iba, unique na sila na ibang kasama. Okay, so arrange ko lang konti. This is integral from 0 to 1. Unahin ko lang yung 4t cube. This is 4t cube plus, this is 16t squared. Okay, then plus 12t, then plus 12, then dt. Okay, so ako dadayain ko na. Medyo mahaba na yung video. Integrate ko na lang siya. So integrate 0 to 1 ng, this is 4 alpha x cube plus 16 alpha x squared plus 12 alpha x plus 12. Okay, so check natin ano yung magiging integral niya. So the integral niya is equal to 73 over 3. So check ko kung tama ang sagot ko. Okay, tama. That is 73 over 3. So this is equal sa 73 over 3. Okay, since ito yung integral, ito is square units, alam ko, pagkakaalam ko. Pero ito na lang muna. Hindi pala siya area kasi line integral eh. Okay. So next is yung, I think ito, ang gagawin sa B, hindi ko na explain, mahaba kasi sa B. Ang gagawin sa B, similar sa ginawa natin sa taas. Kukunin mo muna yung integral along 0,3 to 2,3. Then saka mo kunin yung integral along 2,3 to 2,4. So similar, kukunin mo equation. Okay, then after mo ko integral, lagay mo salpak mo doon, then add mo. Yan lang gagawin. Yan ang gagawin ko, kunin ko yung integral ng C. Bakit? Kasi medyo mahaba na rin yung video. So ayoko nang patagalin total ito kasi nagiging boring na minsan yung dating ng video natin. Okay, so from letter C, solve natin si letter C. Okay, so ano gagawin sa letter C? So sulat natin yung equation yung 0, 3 yung point. So yung 0, 3 to 2, comma 4. So pag ginawa natin yung equation of the line yan, that is y minus 3 over x minus 0 is equal to 4 minus 3 over 2 minus 0. So ang obvious nito, this is 2y, no? So this is 2y minus 6 is equal to x. Okay, so pwede na yan. Okay na ako dyan sa equation. So ngayon, ikaw, kung convenient ka na y yung nakatira sa kabila, okay lang. Kaso pag y tinira mo, may 1/2 something. So may fraction, mahirap mag-integrate. So at least pag ganyan, madali lang. Tulad yan, pag kinuha ka ng derivative nito, so this is just 2 dy is equal to dx. Okay, so kung napansin mo, ano yung matitira? Yung dx, papalitan natin lahat ng dy. So from this, yung dx papalitan ng 2 dy. Napansin nyo? So ibig sabihin, lahat ng x papalitan din ng 2y minus 6. So meaning, ang gapang natin is a y. Okay, so therefore, yung integral nito, so yung integral natin is from 3 to 4. Okay, then yung x squared, yung x papalitan natin lahat. So yung x squared papalitan natin ng 2y minus 6 raised sa 2 plus 2y. Okay, yung dx papalitan natin ng 2 dy. Tama, kasi ando doon yun. Then plus yung x is 2y, this is 2y minus 6 plus 2y. Okay, then just dy. Okay, then simplify natin further muna. So this is integral from 3 to 4 ng, that is 2y squared, so that's 4y squared times 2, 8. Tapos negative 12y, no? So negative 24y. So negative 24y times 2, negative 48y. So this is negative 48y. Then plus 36 times 2, that is 72. So tama, dapat yung pagkakompute na sir. Plus 4y. Then dy. Minumultiply ko na kasi yung 2. After my expand, minumultiply ko yung 2. Okay, then plus, this is just 4y minus 6 dy. Okay, then hanapin natin like term. So factor out lang din yung dy. So ito unique na. So ito yung mga i-add. Ito, at ito. Okay, so hoping na tama yung sagot natin afterwards. Okay, check ko rin. Meron din naman ako sagot dati. Okay, then mali pala ako mag-compute dati. Sorry. Okay, so punta tayo dito. So this equals integral. Okay, this is equals integral from 3 to 4 ng 8y squared. 48 por 4, so that is negative 40 y. 72 plus negative 6, that is plus 66. Then this is dy. Okay, then integrate ko lang ulit. Sobrang katamaran ni sir. This integral 3 to 4 ng 4 alpha x squared minus 40 x plus 66. Okay, so ay 8 pala to, sorry. Okay, so that is 74 over 3. This is equal to 74 over 3. Okay, so therefore the line integral along that path is 74 over 3. So again, ang magiging illustration kasi ng drawing na yan, yung sa point, ito yan. So pag dinrawing, sabi, may 0, 3 daw. So 1, 2, 3, ito isa. Okay, tas 2, 3. So 1, 2, ito isa. Tapos, isa, 2, 4. Saan yung 2, 4? 2, 4, somewhere nandito dito. So pa yan, so ito. Okay, so unang ginawa, isa sa letter B, ang kukunin mo integral mula dito, papunta doon. Yung ginawa natin ngayon, yung integral na dito lang. So meaning, kinuha natin yung integral dito lang sa line na yan. Yan lang yun. Yun yung 74/3. So iba pa yung integral nito, yung pinagsaman dalawa. Yung sa may, diba, ito yung hypotenuse, as ito sa shorter leg saka longer leg. Iba pa yan. Okay, so ganun yung gagawin natin dito. Okay, so this is, ito naman yung complex line integral. So let f of z be continuous on curve gamma, where gamma is a subset of d, or superset, I guess, superset of d. Then the integral of f of z along the curve gamma dz is equal to the integral of f of z dz from a to b. Okay, so kung may curve siya, pwede rin naman, di ba yung curve, di ba banggit ko nga from last time, yung curve is yung curve na yan is itong buo. Okay, mayroon yung point. So, pwedeng point A to point na dulo. Pwede rin yun. Kaya nga, yun yung expression dito. Yung complex line integral. Okay, ngayon, ang example is, ganito. Evaluate yung integral along the curve. So, yun yung ibig sabihin yan. Evaluate the integral of z bar, o yung conjugate of z, dz, along the curve c, from z is equal to 0 to c is equal to 4 to I along the curve C, given by A, z is equal to t squared plus it. That will be the line from z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 2i, and then the line from z is equal to 2i, then z is equal to 4 plus 2i. Okay, so ano magiging diskarte? Madali yung A. Bakit? Meron kang z. So ang gagawin mo lang, for letter A, lagay ka dito. Okay, so for letter A, ang gagawin lang natin, kukunin natin yung integral niya. Okay, mismo from 0 to 4 plus 2i. Okay, then input ko, 'di ba z bar 'yon? So that's simply z bar. So this is t, 'di ba gagawin siyang t squared plus it, tapos bar. Tapos derivative nung t squared plus it. Ganyan yung gagawin dyan. Kasi ayun siya, z bar dz. So meaning yung z, input ko doon, lagay ko siya doon o substitute. Then kunin ko pa syempre yung kanyang derivative. Okay, next di po ba magbabago? So hindi na magbabago yung ating upper bound sa lower bound. Okay, so next is syempre simplify natin yung further. So this is equal sa integral from 0 to 4 plus 2i. Okay, so ito baka bang tanong mo, no, sir? Ba't di po papalitan ng t since itong dalawa? Yung z natin is in terms of 4 plus 2i. Yung integral natin sa loob is may i din. Kumbaga complex siya. So kumbaga, okay lang din yun. Kasi complex number lang din naman yung ipapalit ko. Okay, then again, proceed tayo. This is t squared minus it. Kasi nga, conjugate. Then derivative nito is just equal sa 2t plus I, no, 2t plus I, tapos factor out ko na lang si dt. Kasi 2t dt, tapos I dt. Ganun dapat yung integral. Okay, next is simplify natin further yan. So, this is equal sa integral from 0 to 4 plus 2i. So, dito hindi pwede mandugo sa sir. So, this is 2t cube plus it squared. Okay, then minus 2it squared. Okay, then minus I times I is negative 1, so magiging plus. So this is plus t. Okay, then dt. So simplify, this is integral from 0 to 4 plus 2i. Okay, then this is 2t cube. Okay, minus it squared plus t. Then dt. Okay, so syempre integrate natin siya. So pag integrate, considers constant, syempre dyan sila 2, si I tapos si 1 dun sa t. So this is 2 over 4. So this is equal sa 2 over 4 t to the 4th minus I over 3 t cube plus 1 over t. Then yung boundary 0 to 4 plus 2i. Okay, so syempre literal, papalit natin yung 4 plus 2i dito. So this is simply equal sa 1 half ng 4 plus 2i raised sa 4 minus I over 3 ng 4 plus 2i raised sa 3 plus 1 over 2 ng 4 plus 2i raise. So, tama something dyan. Okay, then minus 0 kasi mawawala lahat yun. Okay, next is siyempre expand natin to, yung part na to. So, yun nga, sana naman trabahong matindi, malupitang trabaho or what. So, I guess hanap ako ni scratch or something. Gagawin ko yung hindi nyo nagagawa ng ginagawa ni sir. Magiging useful sa atin lahat yun. Nakasi akong scratch. So, diba 4 plus 2i saka 4. Okay, so we have 4 plus 2i. Ang modulus nyan is 6 squared. 16, no? 16 plus 4, that's 20. So, square root of 20, that is 2 square root of 5. Okay, so ito yung modulus nya. Okay, yung kanyang argument is 1/2, no? Arctangent ng, since quadrant 1, arctangent ng 1 over 2. Okay, that is 0.46. Naka-digi pala, sorry. Okay, so this is arctangent ng 1 over 2. Sorry, naka-ano ko. That is 26.57. So, ang gagawin na sir, yung argument niya, tas yung angle, yung argument niya, sorry, argument C is 26.57 degree. So, ang mangyari, ito ay 2 square root of 5, 26.57 degree. Raise sa 4, saka raise sa 3. And ang mangyari, pag nag-De Morgan's theorem tayo, ito ay magiging 4, ito ay magiging 2 square root of 5, raise sa 4. Ayun yung una. Kasi i-raise ko siya. That is 400. Okay, so simply this is 400. Okay, then this is 26 times 4 kasi dun siya yung multiply naman. 26.57 times 4. That's 106.28. So this is 106.28 degrees. Okay, para sa 4. So ngayon, pag ginawa ko yan, that is 400 cosine 106.28 degrees plus 400 I sine ng 106.28 degrees. 0.28 degrees. So, ang gagawin ko lang, that's 400 cosine 106.20 28, sorry. Okay, that is negative 112. Okay, so ang value doon is negative 112 dito. So, this is negative 112 approximately. Then, 400 is 400 sine 106.28. That is 383. So this is plus 383i. Okay, so ito pa lang yung sa 4 plus 2i. So expansion na yan. Next is ito dito sa part na to. Yung 4 plus 3i. So magiging ito naman 2 raised to 5. 2 square root of 5. So this is 2 square root of 5 raised sa 3. Okay, so that is 40 square root of 5. So una daw is 40 square root of 5. Tapos 26.57 times 3. Okay, that is 79.71. So, ganito ginagamit si De Morgan's theorem kung tinatamad kang mag-expand. Okay, so, although hindi to masyadong eksakto, unlike dito, kasi ito eksakto. Okay, so, ito naman, that is 40 square root of 5. So, 40 square root of 5, tapos cosine ng 79.71. Okay, so that is 15.98. So ito daw ay 15.98. So then gawin ko siyang minus. Gawin ko siyang sign. Okay, para sa sign niya, that is 88. So this is plus, so ito ay parang 16, no? 16 plus 88i. Okay, so input ko lang ulit dito yan. This is 1/2 negative 112 plus 383i minus i times 3 ng 16 plus 88. So this is 16 plus 88. I. Then plus 2 plus I minus 0. Okay, then simplify natin further yan. Okay, so sino yung mga may I? I think itong value to negative 64. Tanggalin ko muna lahat ng walang I. So negative 64. Sorry, negative 100 divided by 2. Okay, then plus 2 I think. Okay, then plus 88 over 3. Kasi meron dito no, I negative I over 3 times dito, magiging real number siya. That is 88 over 3. That is 262 over 3. Or simply 87. 262 over 3. So this is 262 over 3. Tapos yung real part, imaginary part na lang. So 383 over 2 minus 16 over 3. Okay, then plus 1. That is 1123. So this is plus 1123 over 6i. Okay, so therefore ito yung kanyang magiging integral. So again, possible na baka nagkamali sa solution summer dito. Baka may mali akong na input. Pero ayun nga, sabi ko nga 0 to 42i, yun yung gagamitin natin na value. Okay, so ngayon, paano naman sasagutan si letter B? So, ito na yung gagawin natin diskarte. Ang gagawin natin diskarte, since from the line z is equal to 0 to i, yung ito ay complex number standard form. So, yung z na yan, nare-represent ko siya as 0, 0 to z is equal to 0, 2. Okay, yan yung una. So, ito yung equation. Pangalawa, plus yung integral from 0 is equal to 0, 2 to 0, this is 4, 2. Okay, so kunin ko yung equation of the line, kasi equation of the line ito substitute ko dun sa integral. Okay, so sir, paano naman yung integral nung z bar dz? So z bar dz, ito usually yan, ito yung integral ng x minus iy. Tapos yung dz, paano yung derivative ng x? Derivative ng x plus iy, that is dx. That is dx plus I dy. Okay, so ito yung z bar, ito yung dz. So in terms na whenever z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, so ang gagawin, ito yung diskarte. Kaya na lang din magtuloy kasi medyo mahaba na yung video, marami pa ako i-video rin. Okay, ang gagawin, kunin mo equation of the line dito, equation of the line yan. So similar thing, substitute ko lang dito sa value dito. Then, ayun yung magiging sagot niya. Okay, so pag nagkaroon ako ng time, isasolve ko siya or isasend ko rin sa GC para makita nyo yung total solution niya. So again, kunin mo equation of the line na ito. So paano ba equation of the line yung 2 y minus 0 is minus 2, that is kasi that is y is equal to 2x, no? This is y is equal to 2x. Dito naman equation of the line dyan, that is y minus 2 plus x over y minus 2 over x, tapos minus 2 cancel na, tapos may dito lang 4 minus 0 sa ilalim. So y is equal to 2. So dito naman y is equal to 2. Okay, yan yung dalawang equation. So yung dx, siyempre dy is equal to 2 dx. Dito naman dy is equal to 0. Okay, so ganun ulit. Kunin mo yung integral lang dito. So pag sinimplify mo kasi ito mangyayari. This is equal sa integral ng x dx, then plus ix dy minus iy dx, then plus y dy. Okay, so pag sinimplify, this is equal sa integral ng x y dy. So this is x dx plus y dy plus I times x dy minus y dx. Okay, then dyan mo lang isa-substitute yung mga value niyan. So una, along the curve, so yung gapang niya, since dx yung matitira sa lahat, ang gapang natin is from 0 to 0. Okay, so medyo kakaiba, no? From 0 to 0 yung galaw. Sunod, since dx yung matitira, ang gabang naman is 0 to 4. Okay, so ayun yung mga una mong kukunin na integral. Okay, so I think kayo na lang din magtuloy. Unang gagawin, yung integral from 0 to 0. Okay, then plus yung integral from 0 to 4. Tapos input mo yung mga value. So pasensya na, ayoko nang tapusin pa kasi kaya nyo naman yan about dyan. So gusto ko rin kayo magkaroon ng time para aralin siya. Okay, so ayoko rin din humaba yung video. Tapos kung may error about dito, pakisabi na lang din sa akin.